guys, my name is Erica and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to Universal Studios. So I am taking you along with me and I am vlogging from my phone today because I don't want to bring my big camera. So here we are on the iPhone and I will try my best to be as steady as possible. Right now is 9 a.m. We want to head out there very soon. The first stop is Super Nintendo World, which is very exciting. It just opened a week ago. Then we're going to check out Wizarding World of Harry Potter, which I also have not been to. And then we're going to be checking out, obviously, Universal Studios Hollywood. Really want to check out Waterworld, the world famous studio tour, and whatever else we can. Very jam-packed day, and I really want to show you guys my outfit real quick. I am inspired by Princess Peach. So right now I have these earrings on. These ones are kind of like toe-pack-ish. They are beautiful. They're from Zion National Park. I have this turtleneck on, which is inspired by Princess Peach's turtleneck design here. I have this gorgeous necklace on. This is from Niagara Falls, I believe. I am going to turn the camera around. Then I have this jewelry on. This is like a pearl design bracelet with this ring, and I want to be matchy-matchy with my earrings and my necklace. And then I have this coat on. It's a very furry, beautiful fur coat. See the back right there. This is peach color. Reminds me of Princess Peach, and this kind of reminds me of her dress. I'm not wearing a dress, but these flare out and kind of reminds me of that. And then I have these red pants on, homage to Mario, her crush. And then I'm going to be just wearing some Nike Air Force Ones. So that is the complete look. And also I have this ring right there. And I also have this backpack. I'm going to show you guys my backpack. Be wearing this backpack. Sojourner bag. I love the pink design on it and that it has gold. It reminds me of Princess Peach's crown.
Might be your favorite comedy.
On that lead.
I'd like to point out this big military tank here on your left-hand side from Transformers, because the tank, it looks big, it looks tough, it looks strong, and it looks scary, but it is just fine. Oh, great. Want me to turn this water off? Hey, Jessica, light off. Oh, no, I didn't turn it off in time. Yeah, there's a flashing light. We just got a little tricky. Oh, no. Oh, poor George. Well, George did tell me that we like to use some shark bait in that yellow barrel out there, so let's go ahead and let's hope that shark will take that bait. He's taking the bait. He's taking the beer. Here, we're not in a rush. So I have a feeling he might notice us because, well, we are a large 4-car tram and I am narrating his crime. So, hey, Norman, yes, they're not taking pictures of you. They're just taking selfies of themselves.
It was all designed around the vision of the student.
Yeah, we talked about
and bring it to life. This is not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of a gold rush frontier town lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab.
Still the most meaningful relationship.
Backwards just as fast.
Look up there.
Oh, really?
It's really packed though.
Really epic. Amazing job. Super epic.
Look at those giant mushrooms.
Oh, you do?
Look at the coins.
Pretty epic. So these are like the types of things that I'll do later.
sorting hat tells all you need to know.
Testing, testing. Greetings, recruits.
Going back to Super Nintendo World.
Some weird fandom thing. Oh.
Got it. I see. Oh, that's cool. You guys are on the way. Look at the edge of its mouth. See how it's closing?
Oh, you're right.
Oh, yeah. I'm definitely have to take the watch off for this one.
I feel like before I went in through that side.
Really?
I remember.
made it.
Here you go. Oh, fire flower? Oh yeah, that sounds really spicy. Nice. It's pretty cool, yeah. Oh, look up the cost to build. Oh my gosh. Wow, you were right. Yeah, 5 years.
Superstar Lemon Crush.
That's crazy.
So cute.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Oh, so cute. That. p.m.
Cool.
Beautiful. Night.
Please visit UniversalStudiosHollywood.com.